Good evening, all. I hope you all are doing well. Hi, I'm Harshita Ambas, HR of GSB Ecosystem. I'm back again with another topic today, or else you can say that the solution for the problems everyone is facing nowadays. As you all know, lockdown has been extended for more 2 weeks, and it can be extended further as well. So, and it's getting tougher for the person who are not digitally sound to work from home. In my last video I have told you about Sleek HR, its services, and how it is beneficial to have for having multitasking employees in the company during this lockdown period. Today I'm going to tell you how to secure your job during this lockdown or COVID-19 lockdown period. As I mentioned before also, it's getting tough for the people who are not digitally sound to work during this lockdown period, because we have to use different portals or platforms to work from home. It is discussed within different MNC companies as well that they are going to give half of their employees work from home facility even after this lockdown period due to social distancing. So, and even different startups and other business will also adopt the strategies from work from home to continue their work hassle free without any loss. Looking at this scenario, everyone should start making themselves digitally and technically sound so that they can retain their jobs in future. The meetings that we were used to do face to face, I don't think so after this lockdown we are going to it will be more easier to meet people like this. So we have to adopt different virtual or online modes for meetings. Either it will be a meeting of vendor, clients, or customers. Taking this step will be safe for everyone. I know the situation looks tough and people are thinking how to get out of this. So guys, don't worry. Sleek HR is there to help you, and is there to help you with proper planning and motivation. It will help you in developing yourself to be more skillful and reinventing your multitasking capabilities. Will help you to reinvent your startup skills, which will add more values to the organization and give you a better position in the company. It will also help you in identifying your weak points with better counseling methods. Training to improve your communication skills, as it plays a very important role when you are dealing with clients or customers virtually. Lastly, we know that it is a tough time for people who are lacking with these skills, but we have to sail out of this situation by helping each other and understanding how we can successfully improve ourselves and retain our jobs during this as well as after this lockdown period. So for detailed solution, please register yourself at www.gsbecosystem.com and upgrade yourself for the future industry. I'll help you with all free consultation. So please share your number with us in the comment section so that we can reach you easily and understand your problems. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care. Good night.